Today, for the sake of being thorough, I'm going to go ahead and single pin pick the same lock that I just got done raking in my last video, the Kryptonite by Schlage KS22. There it is. Using the same piston wrench, just wrench with the kink in it. Using a small half diamond for the back pins and a short hook for the front. There we are. Like I said, a fun lock to pick. Definitely not an easy one, but gratifying when you get it. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey. The never-ending search to find that binding pin. Thanks for watching.